Are you new in a QA or QC role within your organization? Are you a fairly new coatings inspector out there in the field? I'm Matt Fajt with KTA-Tator. We have the equipment that you need to get the job done right. This set of equipment we'll talk about more of the manual analog type of equipment. For ambient conditions, we have the good old sling psychrometer. Use a sling in coordination with psychometric tables to get your relative humidity and dew point. For surface temperature, we have your good old PTC dual magnet surface temperature gauge. If you want to get a little fancy, we have a Bic T200 infrared IR gun or a Fluke 62 Max IR gun. Surface cleanliness, we have an SSPC Vis-1 guide. For profile, we have the tried and true combination of Testex Replica Tape and a spring-loaded micrometer. Dry film thickness, we have a Type 1 manual DFT gauge, very durable. And a little bit of technology for low voltage holiday detection, we have a DeFelsko LPD. And all this equipment can be stored and transported in quality Pelican products.